The last video I did concerning the 5 major apps you need in your phone for simple design, somebody reached out to me and asked me to help in downloading and installing Canva. So here today I'm giving this tutorial on how to download, register and install your Canva app so that you can use it for your simple design. Let's go. Before I continue, welcome to Register Global. It's a platform where we share latest technological tools that will help you build your brand and make your work easier, faster, and better. For those finding it difficult to download and install Canva in their phones, I'm using an iOS to do this tutorial. So if you're an Android user, just follow the same process. First step is to go over to your app store, click on your app store, and then let's search for Canva. This is it. Let's download it. So it's downloading right now, so wait for some minutes and let it download. It's a very simple process. Just follow this process and then you get it activated and start using Canva. So it's done. After downloading the app, the next step is to click open. So you wait for a little bit and then allow it to open up. You see continue another way. You click continue another way. You click continue with Google. You can sign up with you can either continue with your Google account, that is your Gmail, or you continue with your email or with a phone number, or continue with a phone number. So you see, the best way, the easiest and the best way to log in is with your Google account. You click on Google account, you click continue, load, and pull up your Google account. So I have Google accounts here. Okay, let's use this first one to log in, because I already have an account with them, so I don't have any reason for creating a new account. But for the context of this tutorial, I have to create a new account so that I can show my audience how to go about it. So it's loading. Yes, so we click on continue. Let's see. So it's loading. Okay. So here now it has opened up. So you read everything you see on your screen. So the first thing is, what will you be using Canva for? So here now you are going to click on anything you want to be using Canva for. See that for small business, you click it. For me, small business, you skip. So they are asking you to upgrade. If you don't have the resources, if you don't have the money to upgrade, please do well to click on skip. But if you have the money, you can click on continue. Then turn on notifications. You click allow. Voila, you have a new Canva account. So the next thing, you just go over to your icons. You see already made templates. Just go over to your icons. Here is if you're about to create your design. Here is where your designs you already made will be made available for you. And then here you see already made templates, and most of these templates are paid, so you can choose to subscribe to them if you have the resources, if you have the money. So you see the pro here. Let's see if we can see the amount to upgrade. You see upgrade now for you see upgrade to pro. Let's see. You see for monthly you have 5,500 naira. So it's very cheap, and for yearly we have 44,000 naira. It's very cheap. Like I said, if you have the resources, you can go over to upgrade, and that's all. So the next tutorial I will do is how to create a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a simple logo or flyer using Canva.